National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Alexander County, Catawba County, until 7 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., local first responders reported several roads closed or made impassable due to heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 1/2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen since last night. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 1/2 inches are possible before precipitation ends late this afternoon. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. In Alexander County, Heavenly Acres Lane is covered by water and has cut off some residents. Paul Payne Road and Macedonia Church Road are becoming impassable and may soon require closure. In Catawba County, McLean Creek has risen out of its banks near Claremont and has threatened homes on K St. M near Shangri-La Drive. Heavy rain is increasing the risk of landslides, especially in areas where slides have occurred in the past. Be especially alert if you are near a stream, especially at the base of a mountain or in a cove. Watch for loose-moving soil and rocks or a sudden increase in stream flow. Leave the area quickly if this is observed. When driving along roads where the terrain is steep or rocky, watch and listen for falling rocks, mud, trees, and other debris. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Alexander, North Carolina;